Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be making a low braided ponytail. Firstly, going to start off by sectioning out a piece of hair that I will be using for the swoop. Next, I will brush my hair to the back and tie it up into a ponytail. Thereafter, I will add the soft and free elongating gel, and then I will brush my hair again and tie it up into a ponytail. I love this hairstyle because it's quick, fast and easy to do, especially now that it is summer and it's so hot here. You don't need to blow dry hair. You can just make this, put on the braid, go about your day. At night, just take off the braid and then go to bed. As easy as that. This next step is optional. I will be flat ironing the piece of hair that I will be using for the swoop with a Babyless diamond ceramic. Now I will be brushing down the swoop and applying the same gel to that section of hair and tying it down with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to do my edges. I will be using Vita molding gel to lay down my edges. This step is optional. Next, I will tie down my hair with a silk scarf just to make it lay down flat. Thereafter, I will be applying the braid to my hair. I will tie down the scrunchie 2 times, and thereafter I will add a bobby pin to the top of the braid, and then take a piece of hair and tie it around the braid just to give it a nice finish. I absolutely love the way this hairstyle turned out. Please let me know down below in the comment section what you think of this hairstyle, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.